guys, good morning, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading out to IKEA. I'm wearing this beautiful sweatshirt and a blue jeans with a belt. Looks cute, right? Let's get ready first and then we will head out. So yeah, let's get ready quickly because I'm already late. I need to go by cab. Let's do that. How are you guys doing lately? Come This tint is really good. It doesn't look like my skin tone, but then it will melt down quickly. I feel it's the toner that's not letting this tint sit on my face. It looks so patchy. You can see like these toners are not good under makeup. I'm loving this moisturizer lately, so I'll be going ahead with this because it is very good under makeup. I'm gonna apply a lot. This much is more than enough. We'll quickly get ready because I'm really late. I'm loving this moisturizer lately. I never knew like it would be so good under makeup. But it is really good, you guys. I'm like loving it these days. Worth the money. If you're looking for a drugstore moisturizer, go for it. It is already winter season. You're not going to regret buying it. It's very good. I'm going ahead with this tint. This is my everyday tint. I got this in PR from a brand. It stayed with me because I love it. Once I used it, it is so skin-like. It's like your skin, but better. It's good. I'm going ahead with this compact. It's from Maybelline. Once again, very good for your everyday makeup. Because of course, until I reach, I'm going to sweat a lot. You know how much I love this tint. I don't have to explain anything about it. It's now over. I have to buy a new one. We're done with everything. I'm wearing this silver watch. This was also my purchase. It is from Titan. I love it. I love every bit of it. Of course, it's not going to be seen, but at least I need something, right, to look at the time, because once you enter IKEA or any mall, how the time passes, you'll never know. Yeah. They look pretty. These are one of the best hoops. I got these from Savannah. They're very, very good. And actually very classy and nice. They're like really good. I'll show you my outfit over there. I'm getting really, really late, so let's just leave, guys, because otherwise my Rapido is gonna come and then he's just gonna wait. I'm gonna tie my hair up because, of course, I'm going by Rapido, so I don't want my hair to get ruined. I'll leave it over there. But while going, let's start. I'm taking this cute bag. This is from Savannah. I love it. This is like a very cute bag. So yeah, we're gonna go. I'll see you all there. I'm super excited. I can't wait to go to the IKEA. We're all ready, you guys. कैशू वाला That one was very tasty. 1 किलो कितने का है?
796 का।
मिक्स भी है इसका? कोई भी?
इससे मतलब नेहरू में आएगा 796 का आएगा।
796 का एंड उसके ऊपर पाव किलो फ्री, तो मतलब 1 किलो के ऊपर पाव किलो फ्री। क्रिसमस के लिए कोई ऑफर नहीं है?
क्रिसमस के लिए अभी वही चल रहा है।
ये वाला फ्रेश है। I need to get new nails. It's too much. Like I've just broken 2 of my nails. They are in my hand. And now I'm going to remove all of them because I'm pissed off. But I'm planning to get a new nail for this Christmas. And I'm confused, to get a red one or to get a green one. So I'll put a poll on Instagram so you guys can suggest me what should I take. Like, should I go for a red one? Should I go for a green one? Because I want to keep it very autumn but chill Christmas vibe. I'm at the mall, you guys. I've come to check some collection, like if there's new collection for winters, but there's no new collection. It's all the summer collection that's been lying over here. I'll just show you. It's all summer collection and I'm not come to take any summer clothes. I want like winter sweaters, then some sweatshirts, some cozy clothes. But then there's no collection here at all. It's all like yet summer collection they have kept. I guess in few days they'll bring the collection, but then I ain't shopping any of these clothes because it's all like summer clothes and I want to shoot for winters. I'll be removing all my nails now, all of them. I don't need any of it. No. Few days I'm thinking to go to Zara or H&M so that I can check the collection over there also. Of course, they might be having some good clothes for winters. I actually am shopping so that I can shoot for my winter skincare routine and everything. So yeah, there's no collection in this mall at all. Let's see. We can visit more places and just check if we find something. Otherwise, I'm not in the mood of even, buying anything as such as clothes because I've come for crockery shopping. We've not come here to buy some clothes, but then, my love. It's just like, मुझे नए कपड़े दे दो. मैं रोज नए कपड़े पहन के एकदम डॉल बन के बैठ सकती हूँ. That is how much I love to get ready and, wear new clothes. Yeah, but I'm going to control myself because today I'm not going to shop anything. We will wait, we'll wait until more 20th and after that later on we can go and shop good collection. मैं इस चीज़ में believe करती हूँ कि मैं इस चीज़ में बिल्कुल believe नहीं करती हूँ कि जो है ले लो. नहीं, जो है मत लो. जब अच्छा collection आएगा तभी लो. क्योंकि आप end of the day पैसे डालते हो. तो ऐसा कुछ क्यों लेना जो necessary नहीं है, जो अनवांटेड है, जो रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है. नहीं लेना चाहिए हमें ऐसी कुछ भी चीज़ें. तो मैं वही सारी चीज़ें लूँगी जो एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड है और हम पैसा तो बर्बाद बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. बिल्कुल भी पैसा वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्पेंड एंड वेस्ट एनी मनी unnecessarily. We will only spend on things that are actually a requirement for me right now. So we'll do that. And yeah, I'm enjoying, vlogging. First time I'm vlogging in a mall and people are all watching me as if आज सुबह में भी there was this Rapido person who dropped me over here. He just asked me like आप एक vlogger हो क्या? तो I said like yes, मैं एक vlogger हूँ. So I told him to subscribe to my YouTube channel and he did subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy. Like people in this world are so supportive. Super grateful for that. He is one of my subscribers now, the Rapido guy. Nice. Happy. search of a small little cute vase. I can't say.
परमिशन नहीं है क्या?
नहीं.
उधर परमिशन कहीं पे कैसे? यहाँ पे परमिशन है.
The guy inside the Shopper Stop store, he just told me like I can vlog there. So I was like ठीक है अभी और क्या ही कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने वहाँ vlog नहीं किया. But वहाँ पर सारे बड़े बड़े vases थे जो actually मेरे कुछ भी काम के नहीं है. I need a small little vase, मतलब छोटा सा cute सा white aesthetic सा vase to keep it on my dressing table. Vanity के ऊपर I can keep that. But then I did not get it, so I'll just find it online somewhere and I'll see like कहाँ मिलता है अभी. वो एक ही चीज़ है जो अभी तक मैंने लेके नहीं आई हूँ. Rest all everything is done in the room. Let's go IKEA shopping because I'm done exploring this mall now. We ain't doing anything more because हम इसमें थक जाएंगे. फिर हम वहाँ कुछ जो एक्चुअल काम करने आए हैं हम वहाँ कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो rather I'll just go there. It's just 10 minutes away from here. I'll go there and I'll see you there. Bye. We're done with shopping, guys, and I'm